Chris Welch with The Verge here in New York City, where we just saw the Sonos One. It's the first ever Sonos speaker that has built-in voice controls. Sonos finally has its own smart, voice-controlled speaker, and it's called the Sonos One. It works with Amazon's Alexa, goes on sale October 24th, and costs $199, the same price as the old Play One speaker. The Sonos One looks identical to the Play One from the front, and it sounds exactly the same. But on top are new microphones that listen for you when you ask Alexa to play music, or control your smart home, or just answer a question. So you can say, "Alexa, play some Tom Petty," or "Alexa, turn off the lights," just like you would on an Echo, and it works the same way. Sonos One will support Google Assistant sometime next year, so you'll be able to pick one or the other, or maybe even use both at the same time. Unfortunately, not every music service can play your spoken song requests right now. Spotify won't be supported until after launch, and Apple Music doesn't work either. Amazon Music, Pandora, iHeartRadio, and others do fully support voice out of the box. And your basic commands like pause or skip this track work everywhere. Sonos One might have some of the same features as an Echo, but your music is going to sound a lot better. First and foremost, this is still a music speaker. You can put two Sonos Ones together for a stereo pair, or add the new speaker to your current Sonos setup anywhere in your house. Sonos is also redesigning its smartphone app, where you can stream music or podcasts from any number of popular services, so it's easier to use. But other companies are also starting to make their voice speakers sound better. Amazon's brand new Echo has improved sound quality and is half the price of the Sonos One. And on the more expensive side, Google just announced a $400 speaker, the Home Max. And then there's Apple, which has also said that its upcoming HomePod will sound better than all the competition when it ships in December. Either way, Sonos has realized how easy and valuable voice control is. People love listening to music on the Echo and Home not because they sound great, but because they're so convenient. That's what led Sonos to try and fend off everybody else with this $200 Sonos One. And you can pre-order it starting now. If buying a whole new speaker is too much for you, you can try the new public beta to control your Sonos system with a $50 Echo Dot. Now we're going to be comparing all these new speakers very soon, so for more videos like this, just check out TheVerge.com.